Hey guys, thanks for checking out this video. Today's project, we'll be removing a trim piece off of a Ford Flex. This piece sits up against the window on the door. This video will apply to all makes and models because they generally have the same type of layout in terms of how these pieces are assembled onto the vehicle. The first step would be to locate and remove all the bolts and screws that are holding on the door panel. Once you've removed all those screws or bolts, grab yourself some sort of pick tool and gently pry open the little tab that is stored behind the grab handle. Generally, each door has one. Depending on the vehicle, there will be another one either down below or up towards the top where the exterior mirror is located. Hope y'all enjoying this doodle right here. After you remove the piece exposing the bolt behind it, go ahead and remove that bolt. The one shown here is a 10mm, and that's what it'll most likely be. Next, go ahead and disconnect all the wires that lay behind the door panel that are connected to the door, and gently remove the door handle as well if needed. Next, you'll be able to remove the door panel freely without anything grabbing on. So on the Ford Flex that I'm working on here, I did have to remove a window trim piece, the little chrome strip. If you have to do the same, be careful. These trim pieces are made of metal and they love to bend very easily. So if you have some sort of auto body tool or even a flathead screwdriver, gently pry along the trim piece inch by inch. Just be careful, take your time, go slow. After the trim piece is out of the way, you'll be able to gently pry up on the black gloss trim piece that you'll be replacing. So because the Ford Flex that I was working on had a little number pad on it, it was connected to something in the driver door, so I tracked down that wire and was able to disconnect it pretty easily. And after you disconnect that one wire, if needed, you're all set. That'll do it. Go ahead and put the new one back in, and if there's a screw that was holding it in before, make sure you put that screw back in. Go ahead and reconnect all your wires, put your screws back in, put the door card back on, you're all set to go. Hey, please don't forget to subscribe if you liked the video. If you found value in it, give it a like and consider subscribing. We also have a FRS, a Genesis Coupe, a 300 SRT8, and a Mustang 5.0 all on the channel. Got a lot of cars on this channel, so be sure and check us out, see what we're all about. Thanks for taking time out of your day to watch the video. Take care.